Good morning. Well, most of you don't know this, but it is actually 5:45 in the morning. I've been working all night on this bridge. So here's how it works. Hang up the welding helmet, shut off the welder, turn off the gas, and explain how this all works. So I built this bridge. This is an O-scale bridge. Kind of crazy. Here's the drawing. Made to look, it's a lift bridge, but I call it the hand bridge because it's a lift bridge, but it's 4 tracks all exiting differently. Here's the hinge mechanism. Pretty cool little, just simple design. How it works is voila. So that way Mr. Ted, the awesome buyer of this bridge, can lift this up, whoop, and get in and out of his layout. You can go through that way, go through this way. He can't go that way or this way because, well, we all know how that works. There's a track going, or a main line going that way. So, as you can tell, I'm exhausted. I'm going to bed as the sun comes up. I hope you have a great day. This is Damian from Mainline Bridges signing off. Good night.